Hi, I'm Amos Esekwen. I am the pastor of Restoration Church of Christ International.
We are located at 7223 Dixie Highway in Fairfield, Ohio, behind the Asafo Market. I am the father of 4 kids. Jemima Esekwen, who is a singer in our choir. The second one is Mike Esekwen, who is a football player, and he likes to play music, instruments like piano and guitar. The third one is Dan Esekwen, who thinks that he's the handsome man in the world. And we have the last one, Joel Esekwen, who is the king of the house. Together in our family we serve the Lord. But let me tell you what's important. Our church, Restoration Church of Christ International, was founded 2 years ago. God spoke to me and convinced me to start a church, and together with some brothers and sisters we began and had our launch launched the church the 23 of February 2008. In our church we want to do something different, like developing a caring, Christ-centered community of Christians committed to worship God, seek the lost, edify the saved, and equip people for ministry. We reach everybody, all people, all background, all races. Sinners are welcomed because we know somebody who can save them and change them. Witches are welcomed, everybody. We meet community needs in our church, like English as a second language classes, basic computer classes, and we are willing to have a daycare center so that people can drop their kids there and go to work. And in about 1 year and a half of our church, we have produced musicians like Denis Ngonde of Congo. We have helped people for Haiti when they had the earthquake in the country, and we love those people. And also in March we had our first annual convention. The theme was, why do we need Jesus Christ for? And Pastor Sonny Mukwenze was the one who helped us understand this theme. And by the way, I want to thank everybody that came to that convention, and mostly Pastor Manseka from France, Pastor Patrice from Columbus, Ohio, Pastor, many other pastors that came. So God bless you, and we'll meet again next year, same month, for the second convention. God bless you, and welcome to the Restoration Church of Christ International.